So yung ating role no as financial advisor has a lot of things to do with how we communicate, no, how we articulate yung benefits of a life insurance in a prudent financial plan, no. Yung role of a life insurance, the importance of a life insurance policy in the scheme of a financial security. Now, the reason why narratives are very important, actually, narratives will be a chronology of ideas that leads to a financial literacy insight. No? Now, the reason why we need to focus on this no, is because life insurance products are intangible. Now, unlike an iPhone that you can touch, no, you can see the color, etc., yung life insurance benefits are simply just promises. No? And second, product benefits are not easily discerned. No? If we don't take time to explain this to clients, no, to prospect, in a very patient and detailed manner, hindi po nila ma-appreciate yung benepisyo of a life insurance policy. Third is that needs are often not articulated. I think this is one of the early lessons I learned in my career as a financial advisor. No? Now, as somebody who knows a little bit about investment management, so syempre yung unang mga calls ko, when I talk to my clients, so I try to, to dazzle them with the extent of my knowledge pagdating sa market, ganyan, physics, etc. But during my first month as an advisor, wala akong benta, zero. Right? Now, the lesson I learned there is that, a prospect will not be buying our product just because we know a lot of things. A prospect would only be buying our product once they know that the things that we offer would be something that would be beneficial to them. So the change in approach that I did was that instead of talking about what I know, I spend more time trying to understand what are the prospects' goals and financial aspiration, and try to find a product that would help them fulfill these goals and aspiration. And lastly, there is a proliferation of products leading to confusion. Alam no, hindi lang naman tayo ang financial advisor in the market. There's a lot other life insurance companies offering a lot of other life insurance products. And for a typical prospect that you would be approaching, and ang situation in their mind, which among these products are the best for me, which among these products are the ones that I should be buying.